Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set live wallpaper on PC or laptop. You can change your laptop's home screen wallpaper using your own video or download a video wallpaper from the internet. Here are a few simple steps to set a live wallpaper on your laptop. Firstly, click Start. Type Store. Then open the Microsoft Store app. Type Live Wallpaper in the search bar. Click Get to download and install the live wallpaper. This will take a while, depending on your internet connection speed and laptop performance. Just wait for the process to complete. Now you can download the video to use as your live wallpaper. So, open your browser and visit a site that offers live wallpapers. I usually use videos at MoWalls. Here you can search for videos by category, such as animals, anime, games, and more. Open the video and click Download if you like it. Now open Live Wallpaper. Click Start, then type Live Wallpaper and open it. You can use the videos available here. Or to use a video you've downloaded, click the plus icon here. Click Choose a file. Search for the video you just downloaded. This is the video that I have downloaded. Just click on it and then click Open. The last step, click OK. Close the Live Wallpaper app. Your laptop wallpaper has been successfully changed to a live wallpaper. That's the tutorial on how to set live wallpaper on PC or laptop. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.